Welcome to ClubExpress. Today, we'll walk through how to set up the location for your event, whether it's a physical place, a hybrid event, or virtual only. To begin, choose Location from the Events module. If your event has a physical location, like a clubhouse or library, choose Physical. Enter the location details or pick a saved location from the drop-down menu. For frequently used spots, you can save them in the Configure Locations section for quick access. Hybrid events have both a physical location and a virtual option. Enter both location details and your virtual meeting link. If your event is virtual, choose Virtual Only. Then, enter the meeting information in the designated fields. You can either show the video conference link directly on the event or choose to email it to attendees after they register. Once you've entered your event's location, mark this panel as finished and choose Save. And that's it. You've now set up your event's location in ClubExpress.